this is I had to do a disappearance access to the city. So the one senior-most faculty, Tony Chaudhary, who was also my student of the first batch in in NIT when I was there. Yeah, I'm very proud that she is a very good teacher. Now you think Somin also director, how he runs the operations. Today, this is one of the installations done by 5 minutes. Sure. Please. Then we have BSc programs and BA programs for 3 years, and then we have postgraduate programs for 2 years, and MBA programs. So these are the kind of high level programs. This is a resource center which focuses on fabric. He was earlier in this incident. Encourage them.
Sir, we are having online fashion programs. Sir, these are the ones.
So this is how you go to nation.
As I said, I'm to cross.
All this kind of I don't know whether you're rinsing the dirt from IAM has now become the most famous designer in Northeast. So she was our student just passed out last year. So we have also created a smart section for Northeast specific. So this is techniques. So these are all very important motifs that develop and try to. So we put up all the motifs also daily see this.
And also you have to UPA does but we will also take a case. That the basic objective is that how to make handloom with fashion. And there is the three type of thing. One is the traditional and one is the modern, making handloom modern thing, and it has to use the home furniture.
Okay.
So there are these three things. Please take your students to the competition.
Yes, sir.
So you also come.
So we want to thank.
But somehow we are not able to pull that thing because handicraft qualities will not be shown. Somebody has to mix it and take it as a concept. So what we are trying to do particularly in the Northeast, there are a lot of skill. So on the 20th we are going to have a discussion there. All those who are producing, they will come and we will take some people from outside, those who are exporting in this business, so that we want to have a direct liability there. So there are persons like you who are in the designing and concept development, you can also do.
I will let you again.
आप ऐसे करिए ना,
1% from
दो आदमी को भेजिए, तो please send 2%. One from the skill part of it and
And the other from the design. Just you quickly explain, not
That is
Sir, this is the foundation level students, and they were being, the aim of this project was to study a bird and interpret it in paper. So this is all.
No, madam, I have to be interested to see that how exactly this would get sold and somebody will get money.
No,
What is your thinking?
The nature is the biggest inspiration for design. So they must know the movement, the colors. For example,
Let me tell you,
This is the very foundation level, so the very first semester. So we make them introduce them to different materials. So they start with paper and then they slowly go to cloth and thread and other materials. So this is
Then they progress into the garments. Right. These students who introduce Karoli.
That is Kingfisher.
So the students who introduce. Why don't you?
What you have done before coming here? You have done your graduation or what?
I have done
Achha.
Which program you studying?
parallel and merchandise.
And what are you doing?
That is
Sir, we are making
That is 3 years.
3-year course, and I'm making pouch to the help of macrame cords, and the method used is square method, and there are different types of method like horizontal and vertical line method.
So they are all on the same.
Yes, sir. Tell me what is that? And see the pattern maker ready. And then get first.
making their tradition. They had a subject fashion for casting and product.
The others they are also they are done a graduation or what? Like what is your name? So you are in this she is also in this one. Achha. And you are doing it after your graduation or plus two? Plus two. You are from which place? So where you are staying here?
A couple of people from your industry would come during the weekend. We had organized a program for them.
Please explain the concept.
What they are doing these young girls in this
So they are working on an assignment. The platform which they are working on is illustration. On that they generate patterns, and then they impose the patterns, and then they generate different colors. The shading and all is all done on computer. So this is the end product.
In the
Similarly,
e-commerce, sir, this has become very important. How to present the product on the digital platform and make the color very close to what you are going to see. It's a very big challenge now. What you see is not what you get in the.
generated, we make a 3D virtual garment on the computer. Now, the model that we see here is a 3D virtual fit model, which we also can have as our, we also can put in our body dimensions to make our own avatar in the system. So for that, there's a technology where we can scan the human body, which is called Measure Me. So this is the procedure. A human can stand on a rotator, and then using a normal iPad which has a camera or a sensor attached to it, we can have the human body rotating, and this can just take the body measurements. So we can have, and we can through this we can generate the customized garments. So I can have my own body fit in this, so that I can make something for myself and see before we actually make the garment how it looks like on me.
And also on the ramp, you can make the actual
Yes.
models. Without the models, you can make them walk.
Right. So this virtual show actually tells us like how the garment will behave.
actual model.
They are not models.
They're not the actual
They are
models.
virtual model.
Of course, the system has some specific sizes like size 8 models, size 10 models, but
This is what your e-fit simulation.
Yes, sir.
yes. So the eFit is now, the name is changed to Tuka 3D. Right, Tuka 3D.
Yuka is a Los Angeles-based Indian origin company. Now it has become a global company.
It is dedicated to that 3D. Oh, they have developed this.
He's an Indian. Ram Sareen. So what has happened is people want everything now crash to time. Zara and Mango have redefined fashion. They want quickly the new styles to be produced. Earlier we used to get 4 to 6 months. Now hardly you get 45.